Good morning. Today we're back in the Forest of Dean. We've parked at Beechinghurst Lodge, which, as you can see from Rosie, it's a big centre that's built. It's got a play park and some fields for the family and kids, which is great. But most importantly, it's got Go Ape, which is going on just behind me. So the two of those are navigating their way around. I've got a little bit of footage from the drone and also from the pocket too, so hopefully you can see what we've done there. From there we're going to head over to do not the Garofalo Trail, because it's actually changed now. I'll throw it up on the screen what it's changed to. Obviously take Mando on that walk. Again, it's just like Mallard's Pike. It's big, long, wide fire roads, which is really, really good for dog training. So again, a great spot to come. You do have to pay for the parking here, unfortunately. Pop the postcode for that just below. But yeah, let's take a tour around here and see what it's like. So as you can see behind me, if you don't know what Go Ape is, it's a treetop adventure. So you're clipped in and harnessed onto a wire that goes around a set of trees. And as you can hopefully see, there's like a course to navigate. Two of them look like they've really enjoyed themselves, which is great. So now we will grab the dog, because he's been just tethered up whilst I've been filming and just had a spot of lunch. And yeah, we'll head on around the trail and see what that's like. So before that, it looks like we're going to stop here for a spot of lunch. So I'll set a little time lap up and yeah, see how that goes. Where the giant chair used to be. Used to look out over the forest behind there. Got removed some time ago. Hasn't yet been replaced, but one of the many sculptures on the sculpture trail here that's at the forest. So here we are, we've finished the trail. It was a nice walk along here. Again, just like before, the paths are nice and wide, so great for taking the dog. Did you enjoy it? Yeah? What was your favourite bit?
Seeing the board.
Seeing the boards? Yeah, they were quite nice, weren't they? Better than the Gruffalo one?
They're both good.
They're both good. Okay. Well, we'll catch you next time, so take care.